If you're here for the first time, I'd like to tell you a little bit about my YouTube channel here. Mainly, I have leatherworking videos on here, but been doing leatherworking so long. Along the way, I took up some metalworking, and I've got a separate shop for that because that's kind of a messy process with the grinding dust. Doesn't mix very well with leather, so I keep the two shops separate. Um, I make custom saddles for basically for a living, and I've been doing leather work since I was a teenager. Kind of give my age away here, probably. Been doing leather work over 50 years, so that's why the leather carving and stuff is so easy for me. I've been doing it for so long. So I'd just like to encourage you to watch the videos on my channel here, like the videos, subscribe to my channel, and tick on the bell so you'll receive notifications when I post new videos. So thank you for watching this short clip here.